Oh, I have something super cool in this box. So guys, I am bringing you another killer product for the 6.7 Powerstroke. So if you've been following along the past couple videos, you would have known that we chose to go with the 55 over CP4 pump through Warren Diesel. Now what makes this kit so cool is that you can purchase this kit for 675 bucks and build your current fuel pump on your truck to a 55 over. All right, so first a little background on Warren Diesel. They build the highest horsepower, most reliable 6.0 Powerstrokes pretty much in the country. I think they hold the record for the highest horsepower 6.0 Powerstroke, which is like 1900 horsepower. They threw that down at last year's UCC 2019. And one of their big specialties is Powerstroke fuel injection, thus creating the 55 over kit that you can buy and turn your own pump into the 55 over. All right, guys, so what we did is I got with the guys over at Warren Diesel and I told them, you know, what we were doing with the truck, with the S370, with the full SPE Emperor Turbo kit and everything. I told them that we were keeping stock injectors and they were like, dude, you got to run the 55 over pump. This is the perfect pump for that application. So as it turns out, they actually sent me a complete new Bosch Reman CP4. Now this is a Reman whole unit with their 55 over kit installed already on the pump. Now that's a separate deal. That's a whole pump that you can purchase from them with the 55 over kit already installed, or you can purchase this kit here for 675 bucks and they give you everything needed to turn your current pump on your own truck into a 55 over unit. So real quick, after unboxing the kit and looking over the directions, this is a super easy kit to install. It's essentially like a bag of parts kind of deal for the CP3 guys, you know, back in the day. Now this is an industry first for the CP4. There's nothing else like this on the market. And for 675 bucks, you're getting a 55 over flowing CP4 pump, which is crazy. So essentially what they did is they do all this in-house. They manufacture their own plungers for the actual top hat of the fuel system. So all that you do is when you get this kit, they give you all new hardware and all new O-rings and everything. I'd say the biggest downfall to the kit is you got to remove the fuel pump from your truck, which isn't really a huge deal. So once you get the fuel pump on your bench, you take these 4 bolts out of the top hat. This will come out. Obviously, there's going to be a little pressure from the spring, so you kind of got to hold your palm on there, pull these 4 bolts. This whole unit will come out and it will look just like that. So you take your old unit out of your fuel pump, set that aside. Take the new unit supplied by Warren. This is a complete unit, O-ring already included. They give you a little blue O-ring there that goes to the fuel feed port shown there. And guys, real quick, there is a left and a right side plunger assembly because the fuel port's only on one side. So you just got to make sure you line those fuel ports up because obviously if you have it flip-flopped, your hole on the top hat will be over here, fuel will be over there, and you can't do that. Compress it down, there's going to be a little pressure from the spring, put your 4 bolts back in, and boom, your pump is built 55 over. And I was just talking to the guys out at Warren on this kit just to familiarize myself with everything that's going on here. And they have been testing this 55 over kit for the past like 3 years. So there's been a crazy amount of time and kind of development going into this whole process to make sure that it's reliable. Because everyone knows the situations with the CP4s. They sometimes can be a little finicky when it comes to like dirty fuel or running dry or something like that. As long as you keep a CP4 like clean and lubed, they're pretty tough parts. But we're gonna talk to you guys in the future here in a little bit on a CP4 disaster prevention kit. It's gonna be super sick and that's top secret. I probably shouldn't even have told you that. But yeah, so you're getting 55% overflow over factory with just the use of a new plunger assembly. You're not changing the main like crankshaft thing in the center of the CP4, thus keeping the cost down compared to a stroker pump such as a 10 mil or a 12 mil where you have a custom new crankshaft center assembly and the thing needs machined and the whole process is different. While this kit here, you're swapping out your plunger and you're getting a whole bunch more fuel flow for a fraction of the cost. So I wanted to bring this to you guys and I wanted to do like a whole like explanation video on it because I think this is a really cool option for the 6.7 Powerstroke, especially if you guys are keeping stock injectors. And you can even run this up to a 60% over is kind of like flirting on the red line. It can be done. They have done it 30% overs are very, very happy. 60% overs are also happy, but that's about as high as you want to go with this pump. You know, you get over 60% over injectors, you're going to want to talk about adding a CP3 or doing a stroker, probably like a 12 mil or something like that. But for trucks that are running pretty hot on, you know, aftermarket turbos, stock injectors, 30 overs, aftermarket turbo, whatever, this is like a killer kit. And I know a lot of you guys out there are running the 6.7 Powerstroke, so here you go. And this kit will be for the guys that want to run their truck a little hotter than just your standard, you know, hot tune, who wants to crank it up just a little bit, because injector-wise, these trucks are pretty capable. I've seen a stock injector truck with a little bit of spray and nitrous bring in 1,000 horsepower and run comfortably at like 800 without nitrous. So injector-wise, these trucks are capable. You're kind of just limited on, you know, injection pumps. So 55 over kit would be definitely beneficial to even add in with a stock turbo. So there you go. You'll definitely get some more fuel out of the deal and be running some more power and torque. Awesome find, and I'm super pumped to run this kit, and I'm super pumped to work with the guys over at Warren Diesel, and I think this would be like a great option for you guys out there. I don't know, check it out. Let me know what you guys think about the whole 55 over do-it-yourself kit. You know, it's this stuff here. Disregard the pump. From here over, you get 2 plungers. You get the full rebuild kind of hardware kit. You get all new hardware, all new O-rings, you know, everything you need to essentially disassemble that pump, meaning take the plungers out and put in the new plungers. Everything's included. So there you go, guys. Hit the first link in the description. Check out the guys over at Warren Diesel. Huge shout out. I think you can use the discount code TopCorey. You'll save a couple bucks off if you guys want to get one of these do-it-yourself 55 over kits for your 6.7 Powerstroke. I think they have the kit for 11 all the way up to 19. You know, whatever you got with the exception of a 20, they got you covered. And guys, I'm not getting paid to say this, actually. I had to buy this pump. So there you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.